Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 101 symmetric tree. We're given the root of a binary tree and we need to check whether it's a mirror of itself, i.e. it needs to be symmetrical around its center. So in this example we can see that the tree is symmetrical around its center. Both subtrees are mirrors of themselves. In this example that's not the case, so we return false, and the question gives us some constraints. So the way we can approach this, since we've got a binary tree, well the clue is binary tree, so you kind of use like a recursive approach, but also do it in a depth first search fashion. So that's going to be the approach we take today. So let's write our depth first search function, and we want to basically compare the right and left values to each other. We want to make sure they're both the same. So our base case is going to be if not left and not right. So if both of our nodes are null, well then we can return true, because although they're null, both of them are null. So that means they both are symmetrical. However, if not left or not right, so if only one of them is null, the other one isn't, well then we know our tree can't be symmetrical, so we return false. Otherwise, we're going to return left.value equals right.value, and we're going to say depth first search root.left, left.left and right.right. So what we're doing here is we're looking at the node and we're looking at the outer node. So we're comparing, for example, the left node is the outer node, on the right hand side the right node is the outer node. So we're comparing the nodes on either side of the outer, and then we're going to do the inner nodes as well. So we're going to say left.right and right.left. So let's just put this in one line. So that's our depth first search function written up. And now what we can do is return our depth first search function, and we want to pass in the root subtrees. So we're going to say root.left and root.right. So that's run our code. And our sample test cases are accepted. Let's submit our code now. And we get a super efficient solution. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at a O of n time complexity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.